Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you my finished studio. It is not the best, but this is what I have for now, and this is all that I can do right now. So last time I took you and with me and I showed you basically me taking away everything from the studio, and now I'm just going to show you the finished product. Almost, not really finished, but you know what I have. So let me know what you think, and if you have any ideas on how to make it better, maybe where to put some shelving for my soaps and stuff, or maybe I'll probably be getting trays. Actually, I don't think I want to get shelving for soaps. I think I'm gonna get trays eventually. Okay, so let me just turn you around and I'll show you what I've done. So as you come into the basement, this is what you'll see. Right here, this is the table that I'm going to be making soap and the cosmetics and all that stuff. Right now I have stuff on it because I have a project that I'm going to record and teach you how to do. You'll see that in the next video. And then right here I have these bins that have the shipping stuff and the things that I use to make soap with and other stuff. And then right here, as you come in this corner, I have on this table, we had this table upstairs, but there was really no room for it, and I brought it down here. And I thought it's good for putting my oils in, essential oils and stuff like that. So on it right here I have my oils that I use to make soap with, and I have a thing of bentonite clay because it doesn't fit in my other bins, and glycerin. I also have my essential oils and fragrances, and right here I have my what do you call this? My mini stove, whatever it is. And also right here I have my micas and activated charcoal, basically all the colorants. And down at the bottom I have my soaps and bath bombs and all that stuff that I make. And then right next to it right here, on this shelf that I wasn't sure what to do with, I have my paper towels that I'll be using a lot, and just some equipments like my extension cord and blender and scale, hairnets, my camera box and all that stuff. And then as we turn around to this side, in this bin right here, I have all the things that I need to use to make bath bombs with. And these two bins, I have my additives. I'll open it. So right here I have this. These are some rose petals from my garden, which I'm going to be making some more also, and some powdered milk. And the bottom one also has chamomile and just some other natural additives. And then right here in this bin I have all the things. For now they're just very minimal. Some stuff, not all the things, I have just some stuff to make some cosmetics with, and with cosmetics I'll be using the oils also that I use for soap. And then right here I have some molds. Oh, there we go. Right here I have some molds for cosmetic stuff, and then the next one I have molds for soaps and lotion bars and stuff like that. And then this one I have all my packaging stuff, my labels and plastic wraps that I use to wrap the soaps with, my heat gun to shrink wrap the wraps, and my cutting tools and all that. The bottom one, I just have some miscellaneous stuff, goggles, some silicone, which I've never used. My husband had that before. He was working on a project and then didn't work as he wanted it to. So I just have it here because I don't know, I probably will use it just to try my hands at making some molds for soap embeds or whatever. And my gloves and masks and just some, I think these are these cardstocks? Yeah, some cardstocks. Because I didn't have a space like right there. And up. And that's it for now. That's how it is, and I will add and change it. I'll be repainting this room, I don't know when, and putting some flooring in. My husband and I were just thinking what we'll be doing here, maybe putting some tiles or rubber mats, I don't know, we'll see. Yeah, so this is it for now. It's just plain and simple. And as I grow and as my business grows, I'll be able to do more. And I depend on your support, guys. So to help make my business grow and to help me support my family, and also so that I can just keep teaching you and showing you how to make stuff yourself too. So that's it for today, and I hope you enjoyed seeing the update on the studio. And if you guys have any ideas, just let me know and put them down in the comments below on how to make this room better, how to make it more efficient. Maybe, I don't know if I need shelving, where should I put it, I don't know. Whatever you guys have, just throw it at me. Just keep the comments nice though. And yeah, if you like what you see here, just hit the subscribe button, and also hit the bell if you want to receive notifications of whenever I upload new videos. Alright, so that's it. I'll see you again in the next video. Bye!